Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So today we will be looking at polynomials class 8 aim to classroom packages. So let's begin. This is of class 8. So looking at first question, we have if x minus 2 is a factor of ax square minus ax plus 4, then the value of a. So we will find this now. So this is the given data in the question. So as we all know, if g of x is given, we should just equate that to 0, right? So for finding the x value, so minus 2 goes to RHS and become plus 2. So x is equal to 2. So now wherever you find x in this equation, just substitute x as 2. So 2 square minus a into 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. So this also you should equate it to 0 only. So 2 square is 4 minus 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. Right? So until here, hope you all understood. Now what we will do? So 4 plus 4, it is 8. So we have here, instead of that, what we will do? We will erase this and we will write 4 plus 4 is 8, right? So I will write that here. So this is for 8 minus 2a is equal to 0, right? So then what we will do is, I'm going to just erase all this stuff. Okay, fine. So now we got that 8 minus 2a is equal to 0. Now 2a will be here, minus 2a will be here, and it will be plus 8 goes to RHS means it becomes minus 8. So this minus will get cancelled there only. So then 2a is equal to 8 and 8a is equal to 8 by 2 and a is equal to 4. Okay, clear? Now we found the value of a. So that's it. A value is 4. Option is A. Okay, option is A here I wrote. So you can take a screenshot if you require. Now looking at the second question, if x square minus 3x square minus 9x plus 6 is divided by x minus 3, then the remainder is. So let's solve this also. So this is the given data in the second question, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 6. So we should find the remainder for this question, right? So as we all know, here every time if g of x is given, we will equate it to 0. Then minus 3 goes to RHS and become plus 3. So x value is 3. Now wherever you find x in this equation, just you will substitute there 3 you will substitute there. So 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 6. Now what will be your result? 3 cube is 27 minus, so actually here we have 3 power 1 into 3 power 2, 3 power 3, right? So 27 only, this also 9 3s are also 27 only, then plus 6. Then answer is going to be minus 21, which is option B. Okay. Now you may take a screenshot. Okay. Looking at the third question, if f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, then the value of f of 2. This also will solve now. Okay, this is the given data. Now what we have to do first is, so here we have a x, right? Instead of x we will put 2, that's it. So f of 2, so wherever x is there in the equation, put 2, that's it. Very simple problem actually. 3 into 2 minus 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Option A. Okay. Everyone note this or take a screenshot. Next question. Next, fourth question we will see. If x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 4 is a polynomial, then one of its factors is, we have to find that also. So this is one of the polynomial, okay, they gave it. So we should find one of the factor for it. So I would suggest you that you go through the options, okay. So it will be easy. Try doing with all the options. So I checked it. It is C, okay. C option. We will check. Okay. I'll show you with x minus 2 it is. So x minus 2, normally g of x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2, right? So now wherever you find x in this equation, just you will put there, right? So 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 4. So 2 cube is 8 and 2 square is 4, right? So 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 8 plus 4, right? So this will make us minus 4 plus 4, which is 0. So we should get that answer as 0. So when you equate it, you will get 0, right? If you get 0 only, it is correct, okay, or else it is wrong. So remaining all options, you won't get 0, I'm sure. So answer is C. You may take a screenshot now. Next, looking at the sixth question, we have, fifth one we have to see, right? A cubic polynomial can have at most how many number of zeros? So this will have 3 zeros, option C, okay. Mark it in your textbook. Already answer is written here. Next, sixth question. If 5x power 6 minus 9x square plus 1 is equal to px power 4 plus qx cube plus rx square plus sx plus t into ax square plus bx plus c, then find the value of a and ap, okay, a into p. So actually we can do this in a simplest way. So no need to find all that values. Instead of finding all that values, we have a shortcut trick here, okay. So I will say the shortcut only, because I will not do the full solution here. It will take a lot of time. So instead of that, we will do it in a shorter way, okay. So I'm writing on the screen. So here you will have, normally here, let's zoom it, wait. So now I think you're able to see the question clearly here. So when you multiply px into ax, you will get ap, right? apx, and 4 plus 2, 6. So apx power 6. So remaining terms not at all required, I'm saying. So now we have to find this ap, okay. So a into p, here you are able to see, right, this 5x. So obviously it will be 5 only there, because both are equal. So ap will be 5, that's it. Sorry, 5. So option A, okay. So you may take a screenshot, because this doesn't have a solution. Like I am not finding you, I'm saying this shortcut method. If you get other questions like this also, you may do this. It will be really easy, right? Yeah. Next, sixth question or seventh one we will see. Now looking at the seventh question, this is a direct question only. It's like from the formulas only we have this. So it's option A, x minus 1. So the question, if f of x a n power x power n, this is the question. It's there in synopsis, okay. I have explained. It is there in synopsis. From this point is from synopsis only, okay. So you can see that video. Next, we will see the eighth one. If p of x is equal to 2006 x power 2006 plus this full very long question. So we should find the summation of it. So what is the answer? It is a this one, B option, x minus 1 is a factor of p, this p of x, okay. Because when now we have to substitute there, that a value, that is x value, if you substitute here, it's a long lengthy process. So it's your homework. It's an easy one only, but it's a homework for you, because everything I am saying what is this, okay. Now we will see the ninth question, but option is B only. I'm sure about this option, okay. Now we will see the ninth question. If x square x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, then what is the coefficient of this? So this one I will solve it. So this is the given data there. As you can see, x cube, this one is the given data. It is divided by x minus x plus 1. You have to find the coefficient of it. So normally this will be our g of x, right? Then so x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 as plus 1 goes to RHS. So just directly I'm writing, I'm just undoing this. Okay. So x is equal to minus 1 because I don't have a space. Sorry. This x is equal to minus 1 as you can see here. Now we will have to find the coefficient as we know. So x is equal to minus 1. We will do the synthetic division method. So one factor, as already we know that we can do the synthetic division method, which would be easy for us, right? So first we will draw a line, right? We all know that. Here will be 1, 1, 1, 1. The coefficients are here 1 only, right? Because nothing is there means 1 only. This and all we discussed in challenges, even classroom packages. Sorry, in challenges we discussed all this. So first all the coefficients will be written here, and then first we will add it with 0, as we all know it is 1. So 1 just opposite, it will be first 1 here, same number they will write and put opposite sign for it, then 0. Then 0 again you will put it here. We won't put minus because there's no it's there. So no, not required, right? So everything minus only we will do. So 1 only. Sorry, here by mistake I have put one more 1 extra. Sorry. It's by mistake. Only 4 are there, right? Then this 1 you will put there and everything minusing, as we know that 0. So you will end up here. Now what it will be? It will be, this will be x square coefficient, this will be x coefficient, and this will be the numerical, right? So this was the format. Everything was explained clearly. So it will be x square plus 0 plus 1, which means x square plus 1, right? Sorry, 0x. I forgot. 0x plus 1. Then this is a polynomial. So if you 0 into x is obviously 0. So it will be x square plus 1. Option D. You must take the screenshot right now, and that now we'll see the 10th one. Yes, you are able to see the question. Now statement A, if f of x is equal to 5x square minus 9x plus 1 is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is 39. So that is a false statement. When we check out there, x value is 2, right? I'll change the color. X value is 2, as we all know. When you transpose that minus 2 to RHS, it becomes 2. So when you substitute 5 into 2 square, 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. But it is given 39. So it's wrong, right? The remainder, when f of x is divided by 2x minus 3 is equal to f3 by 3. 2 by 3 by 2. So this is correct statement only. So option will be D. Okay, A is false, B is true. And the 11th one, next, the polynomial f of x is equal to x power 155 minus y power 155 is divided by x minus y. So this question is little bit complicated. I will do it. Now, so we have the question f of x is equal to x power 155 minus y power 155. So x, it is divided by x minus y. So as we know it is g of x, we will equate it to 0, as we all know that. So what will happen? Minus y goes to RHS and become plus y. So it is x is equal to y. So this statement is proved, right? So now instead of f of x, we can write f of y also. So that means wherever you find x, you put y. Okay, y power minus 1. So wherever you find x, put y. So x power 155 becomes y power 155. So y power 155 minus y power 155 is 0. Actually, very simplest one, we can say that, but it is little bit complicated for you, right? So 0. Okay. Now let's go to that page. So we did it right. It is correct only. Okay. Next, the expression x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial 99x square minus 88 minus 11. So x value will be 1, right, when you move that minus 1 to RHS. So it will be 99 minus 88 minus 11. So this one will be 10 minus 11. So obviously it's a factors. Here it is 11, right? Yes, 11 minus 7, obviously it is 0, right? So it is a factor. So check this. Now this is the procedure for doing this. I did it in a very shortcut. If you want, you can take screenshot and write correctly, detailedly. Okay. So in this video we discussed the Pearl package. In the next video we'll see Emerald package, because it's already too much. Okay, then do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Thank you.